Hello everyone, my name is Sumit. I am back with the new video. Today we will discuss about the DNA and their types as well as RNA and their types. So, DNA was first recognized and identified by the Swiss biologist Johannes Friedrich Miescher in 1869 during his research on the white blood cells. DNA is a group of molecules that is responsible for carrying and transmitting the hereditary materials or the genetic instruction from parents to the offspring. DNA is deoxyribose nucleic acid. This is also true for viruses as most of these entities have either RNA or DNA as their genetic material. For instance, some viruses may have RNA as their genetic material, while others have DNA as the genetic material. The human immunodeficiency viruses, that is HIV, contains RNA, which is then converted into the DNA after attaching itself to their host cells. Apart from being responsible for the inheritance of genetic information in all living beings, DNA also plays a crucial role in the production of the proteins. Nuclear DNA is the DNA contained within the nucleus of every cell in a eukaryotic organism. It codes for the majority of the organism's genomes, while the mitochondrial DNA and plastid DNA handles the rest. The DNA present in the mitochondria of the cell is termed mitochondrial DNA. It is inherited from the mother to the child. In humans, there are approximately 60,000 base pairs of mitochondrial DNA. Similarly, plastids have their own DNA and they play an essential role in a photosynthesis. Then we will discuss about the types of DNA one by one. In that, first one is aDNA. It is a right-handed double helix similar to the bDNA form. Dehydrated DNA takes a form that protects the DNA during the extreme condition such as desiccation. Protein binding also remove the solvent from DNA and the DNA takes an as a form. Then we will discuss about the bDNA. bDNA is the most common DNA conformation and is a right-handed helix. The majority of DNA has a B-type conformation under normal physiological conditions. Then next type is zDNA. zDNA is a left-handed DNA where are the double helix wind to the left in a zigzag pattern. It was discovered by the Andreas Wang and Alexander Rich. It is found ahead of the start site of gene and hence is believed to play some role in a gene regulation. So then we will discuss about the RNA. RNA is a ribonucleic acid that helps in the synthesis of protein in our body. This nucleic acid is responsible for the obtained from the DNA molecules. RNA resembles the same as that of the DNA. The only difference being that it has a single strand, unlike the DNA which has the double or two strand. It consists of an only single ribose sugar molecule in it. Hence is the name of ribonucleic acid. RNA is also referred to as an enzyme as it helps in the process of chemical reaction in our body. The ribonucleic acid has all the components same to that of the DNA with only two main differences within it. RNA has the same nitrogen bases called the adenine, guanine, cytosine as that of the DNA except for the thymine, which is replaced by the uracil. Adenine and the uracil are considered as the major building blocks of the RNA, and both of them form base pair with the help of two hydrogen bonds. RNA resembles a hairpin structure and like the nucleotides in the DNA. Nucleotides are formed in the ribonucleic material, that is RNA. Nucleosides are nothing but the phosphate group which sometimes also helps in the production of nucleotides in the DNA. Then we will talk about the RNA types one by one. There are various types of RNA, out of which most well known and the most commonly studied are the in that first one is tRNA, that is transfer RNA. The transfer RNA is held responsible for the choosing the correct protein or the amino acid required by the body, in turn helping the ribosomes. It is located at the endpoints of each amino acid. This is also called as the soluble RNA, and it forms a link between the messenger RNA and the amino acid. The next one is rRNA, that is ribosomal RNA. The ribosomal RNA is the component of the ribosome and are located within the cytoplasm of the cells. Where ribosomes are found in all living cells, the ribosomal RNA plays a fundamental role in the synthesis and translation process of messenger RNA into the proteins. The ribosomal RNA is mainly composed of the cellular RNA and are the most predominant RNA within the cells of the living beings. The next type is messenger RNA. The messenger RNA function by transferring the genetic material into the ribosomes and pass the instruction about the types of proteins required by the body cells. Based on the function, these types of RNA is called the messenger RNA. Therefore, the messenger RNA plays a vital role in the process of transcription or during the protein synthesis process. This is all about the DNA, their types, RNA and their types. Thank you.